Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, so let's take a look again on the gold market. As usual, we have prepared weekly report and have tried to cover some subjects that were not widely covered by the media agencies, or take a look at a bit specific angle on some problems. So for example, the big hype was around the $34 trillion of national debt in the United States, and everybody starts screaming disaster, disaster. But we have taken a look a bit with some common sense and make our own conclusion. Also, we brought some forecasts on the perspective of the gold and have considered a few political issues that, as I said, were not covered in the media, but as we think it might become really decisive in a midterm perspective. So we hope that you will find the report interesting to read. Speaking about the technical side of the current situation, this is one of the moments, guys, when the situation looks really blurry. It's just because in general we have mostly very similar picture to the euro currency that we have discussed yesterday. Friday action was without any direction. So payrolls have pushed price lower, while the negative PMI, weak PMI numbers have supported it, and as a result, market has closed on the same point. As you can see, that has led to appearing of the high wave. Personally, I do not like the high waves, because usually, as I said, the direction almost always depends on the breakout. So if market break the top of the high wave, it means that it will keep going higher, and opposite is true for the downward breakout. But the moment of the choosing of the direction and how market goes to this usually is very tricky. It's choppy, not really clear what to do and what the positions takes and so on taken. So currently on the intraday charts we have particularly this moment. So on the daily chart, formally we have bearish context because trend stands bearish, market is not oversold right now, and theoretically we need to consider taking the short position. On the hourly chart, you can see the same performance as we've got on euro currency. Our butterfly target has been completed perfectly. If you was able to take the long position, that's just outstanding. Or if you were able to take the short position around our second target, which was the 618 level. If you remember, we said take a look at this level, think about taking the short position, because if you remember, we have considered this pen and pattern here, and we said this is bearish. And in general, mostly it remains bearish because hand and shoulders drop below the neckline, market is not able to return it back up, overall action looks choppy. And I would suggest, together with the daily chart, it seems that more chances right now exist for a possible downward continuation. But on Friday, it was too strong upward momentum. And personally, right on Monday, I do not want to go against it. I prefer to see when the dust will settle a bit after the PMI report, to see how durable the effect of the PMI will be on the market. So it could take 1 to 2 sessions and see what will happen. Maybe market will able to show some minor upward continuation that allows us to take the position at the better price, or we will see confirmation of the weakness, that market will start dropping back down to the lows, which approaching to the lows of the bottom of the high wave on the daily chart will confirm bearish view. Also, don't forget that we're considering on the euro currency, we're considering this kind of the hand and shoulders. On the gold market, we do not have this shape. On the hand and shoulders we have. So this also might help on the identification of the possible direction, depending on how market will behave with the euro currency hand shoulders here. If it will start failing, it means that in gold market probably we also should get downside continuation, because all in all it has related to United States dollar. And we just need to get some clarity. Right at this point, when the market stands right in the middle of this range, it is not attractive to take position in any direction, because the too far stops and no clear signs. So from that standpoint, if you do not have any positions, I prefer to sit in the hands and wait for some time and see what will happen. If you have some positions, well, especially with the break-even stops, that's great. So you could try to hold it and just watch what will happen. So that's actually what we have on the gold market. Not too much to say actually, but sometimes it happens. This is just markets and different situations appears here.